Aveline Lane is being promoted as a trendy online fashion store offering stylish clothing at attractive prices. But the real question is whether it's a legitimate brand or just another risky online store that looks good on the surface. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Aveline Lane presents itself as a standard e-commerce fashion site with product listings, discounts, and worldwide shipping. However, here's the key point. Multiple independent website analysis tools flag Aveline Lane as high risk and potentially unsafe. There are a few surface-level positives. The website has a clean, modern layout. It offers secure payment methods like credit cards. It advertises perks like free shipping and money-back guarantees. But once you look deeper, the red flags start to stack up. One major issue is trust score and credibility. Independent analysis gives the site an extremely low trust rating, around 10.6/100, and labels it as untrustworthy, risky, danger. Other checkers also flag it as likely unsafe with multiple warning signs. Another big concern is domain age and transparency. The website was only created very recently, in 2026, which is a common pattern for scam or short-lived stores. The owner's identity is hidden, which reduces accountability and trust. And importantly, there's little to no reliable customer feedback, which makes it harder to verify real buyer experiences. Another warning sign for new or questionable stores. So is Aveline Lane real or fake? It appears to be a real website, but highly suspicious and potentially unsafe. It doesn't have the credibility, track record, or transparency of a legitimate fashion brand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.